Meet Anker SOLIX Solarbank Max AC, an AC-coupled home battery system perfect for upgrading existing solar installations or maximizing savings with dynamic electricity tariffs. Let's take a quick look at the product overview. Let's start with the unboxing. First, release the clasps on both sides of the box. Lift off the outer box by holding the edges. Cut the securing straps. Finally, remove the top foam. Check that all items are included in the Solarbank Max AC box. Check that all items are included in the expansion battery box. Optional accessories are available to enhance your setup. Select the ones that best fit your needs. Please prepare these items before installation. Before we jump into the installation, let's go over a few essential preparations. For safety, first locate a dedicated circuit in your distribution board. Here are several ways to find it. Option 1. Refer to the home's electrical wiring diagram to locate the socket on a dedicated circuit. Option 2. Find the dedicated circuit breaker or RCBO on the distribution board door. Option 3. Open your distribution board and locate the dedicated breaker or RCBO. It will typically be marked as 16A, B16, or C16. Find the dedicated socket or appliance and check if there is suitable space nearby for your solar bank. Make sure the socket is in good condition, no damage or aging, and supports 16A current. If not, turn off the circuit breaker for that circuit and replace the socket. Once confirmed, switch the circuit breaker or RCBO for that circuit to the off position. Test the target socket using a voltage tester or a lamp. With the breaker switched off, the tester should not light up. Test other sockets in your home with the same tool. If they remain powered, the dedicated circuit is confirmed. Option 4. You may also add another dedicated circuit. Please refer to the hardwired connection section later in this video. If you are unsure how to find a dedicated circuit, please contact a licensed electrician. Then, let's check your installation environment. Here's how you install Anker SOLIX Solarbank Max AC. There are two installation options: floor mounting and metal base mounting. Scenario 1. Floor mounting. Start by placing the battery module on a flat hard surface. Place the battery module on a flat, hard surface within Wi-Fi coverage. Remove the top protective rubber cap. To stack an additional battery, first remove its bottom rubber cap. Next, stack the battery modules. Install the wall mounting brackets on the top battery module. Determine the wall mounting brackets placement based on your system configuration. Next, remove the top protective rubber cap from the second expansion battery module. Then, tilt the power module forward on a soft surface and remove its bottom rubber cap. Mount the power module on top, ensuring the front edges are flush. Finally, secure the adjacent modules on both sides to complete the installation. Floor mounting is now complete. Scenario 2. Metal base mounting. Start by placing the metal base. Adjust leveling feet if needed. To stack the battery, first remove its bottom rubber cap. Then, stack the battery modules and the power module onto the metal base. Finally, secure the adjacent modules on both sides to complete the installation. Metal base mounting is now complete. Here's how you make the electrical connections. 3 grid connection options are available. Select the appropriate option based on local regulations and your installation requirements. Option 1. Schuko connection. Fully insert the AC connector until a complete red circle is visible. Turn the screw counterclockwise until the locking tab can no longer be pressed down. Then, plug the AC cable into the socket. Option 2. Wieland connection. For the Wieland connection, have a licensed electrician install the Wieland wall socket. Connect the AC cable with Wieland plug to the on-grid port. Turn the screw counterclockwise until the locking tab can no longer be pressed down. Then, plug the AC cable with Wieland plug into the dedicated circuit socket. and switch on the corresponding circuit breaker. Option 3. Hardwired connection. For grid connection via the main distribution board, please note the following. First, disassemble the AC hardwiring connector. Route the cables neatly and insert the AC cables into the corresponding L, N, and PE terminals of the terminal block. Fully insert the AC connector until a complete red circle is visible. Turn the screw counterclockwise until the locking tab can no longer be pressed down. The hardwired connection is now complete. Next, install a smart meter to monitor solar generation and household energy consumption. Refer to the dedicated installation guide for your meter model. Here's how you connect the communication cable. The COM connector is optional and is used to connect a communication cable. Skip this step if you don't need it. Next, we will use the RS485 communication cable connection as an example. First, disassemble the COM connector. There are two slits here for wiring. Then, tear the slit open and feed the communication cable through. Insert the ceiling plugs into any unused openings. Here is the pinout for the 16-pin connector. Insert each conductor into its corresponding terminal. Finally, assemble the COM connector, but do not fully tighten it yet. Insert the COM connector into the device and fully tighten it. Finally, here's how you complete the initial setup. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. A flashing IoT indicator means the device is ready to pair. To pair, download the Anker app from the App Store, Google Play, or scan the QR code. For more instructions, watch the video, How to Set Up Solarbank. Finally, connect to the load port. It supports up to 3,500 watt, max 3,680 watt, and is ideal for heavy-duty appliances like washers and dryers. Now, you're all set up and ready to power. For more tutorials and tips, check out our other videos or visit the Anker support page.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.